Thank you for being with us today. For our viewers, can you please introduce yourself, your role, and the company you work for?
Yes, so my name is Jakob Møller, and I'm a CAD Specialist at Grundfos. Grundfos is a water solution company, primarily doing a lot of pumps to ensure that everyone gets water and takes care of the water in the best possible way.
How big is this company today?
Grundfos, the biggest pump manufacturer. I believe we're 20,000 people and located all over the world.
What are the main challenges you're facing in your daily work?
Critical thing for pumps is the efficiency. You need efficient efficient motors, and we're doing all of the development ourselves, meaning that for CATIA perspective, ensuring that you have the best surface design tools available is what makes the difference between average efficiency and the best efficiency on the market.
What are the benefits using this hub from CATIA portfolio?
I think it provides us with the capabilities that using EKL, we can actually configure our products on the fly directly in CATIA. So we have parametric products that enables us to, on the fly, build thousands of products, meaning that we can do design sweeps or design reviews for, even though that a pump is a simple part or a simple component, but we have a vast product program. So validating that with simulations in an efficient manner is critical for us, and what CATIA helps us do.
You recently decided to move to 3D Experience platform for CATIA, Innovia, and Delmia. What was the trigger of this decision?
So that was part of a bigger PLM strategic decision. We've been through an extensive RFP selecting a method or vendor selection program, but ended up with CATIA and 3D Experience for sure. We've been CATIA users for 35 years at least, and using CATIA and Innovia as the primary CAD tool already. So for sure, we've had a good collaboration with a partnership for a long time with Dassault.
So you're also doing system. Can you tell us a bit more?
Part of the PLM program is also whole model transformation, part of it. So adopting systems engineering as well. CATIA Magic is a part of that, and a part of the first steps here in our migration towards 3DX. So that will be a huge part of model-based way of doing systems engineering.
Fantastic. So you are going to integrate the full workflow from design to simulation to data management, but also before all these system requirements and etc.
That is at least the ambition, to have a complete digital thread all the way from the inception of an idea to end of life of a product.
Thank you, Jakob, for your time. It's very exciting, this migration from B5 to 3D Experience, and also thank you for sharing such a valuable insight with us.
My pleasure.